Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some pizzas. Before I get into each specific one, here's how you make the dough and sauce that are going to be used for all three. The dough is as follows: 5 cups of flour, 1 packet of instant yeast, a teaspoon and a half of salt, 2 1/4 cups cold beer, and a tablespoon of olive oil. I then put the dough hook on the mixer and put it on the slowest speed and knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I basically allow it to proof in the oven for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, punch it down, cut it into the sizes that I wish, and then I put it in the fridge for 3 days. On the 3rd day, I use it. The sauce for all of these is as follows: 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And now we have the Salami Balami pizza. As you can see here, I've got the dough stretched out a little bit, and I went over it with a pizza proofer, whatever. Then we're going to load the dough up with our pizza sauce. And again, I like a lot of sauce. I kind of like a saucy pizza. Then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to add some deli-style salami. You can pick this up at pretty much any grocery store's deli counter anywhere in the country. And we're going to add some Italian sausage. And then some bacon. And finally, some pepperonis. Then after we've added our pepperonis, we're going to give this just a little drizzle of chili oil. Then we're going to pop this into a 550-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, you should be left with something looking a little bit like this. And I gotta say, this pizza was delicious. It didn't survive an hour. So that's the Salami Balami pizza. Done.